Quick video tonight, just after a long day of working, just show you some progress. So you can see I got the front hood over there. That's the 1940 Ford Deluxe hood. There's my Moto Guzzi 1100 engine, a Model A wheels, 30 inches tall. Seen that all before. What you haven't seen is what we're looking at right here. So this is what I've been doing today, is building this structure to carry the steering column. It's going to carry all the electronics, all the under dash equipment, and I've got it set up so that the hood now just nests down on top of it and buckles in. You can see right there, that's an interface point for the hood. It latches in the corner there, and then up here, see that two-step piece? It sets right on that piece of square tubing, and then it'll be able to clamp down and become one with the machine. A lot of work today. That started as a mock-up out of wood, turned into a mock-up out of metal, tacked in place, and then took it out, welded it more fully, and got it all bolted in. I'll just give it a shake for you so you can see. It's nice and sturdy now. Anyway, a lot of work, but I'm also really satisfied with how that's coming out. It's going to be freaking awesome. I'll show you one other thing here. If you look at that steering column, it's got those little motors. It has electric tilt steering and also electric telescoping steering, which is going to be fan-freaking-tastic. I'll have it all set up on switches. Kind of funny, I actually put the steering column in upside down. It just fit better that way. I ran it through its full cycle to see how it felt at the different heights and extensions. Works really good. Anyway, give me your thoughts on it. It's been a long day, but a fun day. Nothing like building something out of nothing. Have a good night. Bye.